How did space travel first begin? Imagine a world where humans looked up at the sky and wondered what was beyond our planet. That curiosity sparked a journey that would change everything. The story of space travel starts with early ideas and experiments from brilliant minds like Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, Robert H. Goddard, and Hermann Oberth. These pioneers studied how rockets could work and laid out the science behind leaving Earth's atmosphere. Their work was mostly theoretical at first, but it set the stage for real progress. The first big step came on October 1957 when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1. It was a small metal sphere, about the size of a beach ball, that sent radio signals back to Earth. This was the first artificial satellite ever sent into space. It proved that humans could send objects into orbit around the planet. Just a month later, on November 3, 1957, the Soviets launched Sputnik 2, which carried Laika, a dog. Laika was the first living creature to orbit Earth, showing that living beings could survive the journey, even if she did not survive the mission. The United States responded quickly. On February 1, 1958, they launched Explorer 1, their first satellite. It carried scientific instruments that discovered the Van Allen radiation belt surrounding Earth. This discovery helped scientists understand the space environment better. The launch of Sputnik 1 caused what was called the Sputnik crisis in America, which pushed the country to develop faster and better space technology. This led to the creation of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, in 1958. NASA started Project Mercury, aiming to send humans into space. Between 1961 and 1963, 6 Mercury missions tested how astronauts could survive and work in space. The most famous milestone came on April 12, 1961, when Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, became the first person to orbit Earth aboard Vostok 1. His flight lasted about 1 hour and 19 minutes, and it proved that humans could live and work in space. These early achievements pushed the limits of technology and human endurance. The race between the United States and the Soviet Union sped up innovations that eventually led to the Apollo program. On July 20, 1969, astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the Moon, marking the first time humans set foot on another celestial body. This was a huge step in exploring beyond Earth orbit. So, space travel first began with simple satellites and evolved into humans orbiting Earth and landing on the Moon. These milestones show how human curiosity, ingenuity, and perseverance have expanded our reach into the cosmos. The journey from launching small metal spheres to walking on the Moon is a story of pushing the boundaries of what humans can do in extreme environments.